Alright guys, this is an electrical panel for controlling flower silos. I'm going to show you some components. Here on the door, as you can see, we have multimeter to measure voltage and current. Some signal lights. This is for ventilation. And this is an emergency stop button. On the left side, we have control system, specifically Siemens PLC, bus bar, main circuit breaker, power supply, conductors, and also we have an oscillation transformer. And on the right side, we have several inverters. And these are silos. Silo number 1 is over there. Silo number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.